roughly a carpet installation can be divided into two types. The first one being a stretch fit installation and the other one being a glue down installation. So typically you'll do a stretch fit installation in a circumstance where you can put the grippers all around the room and you can hammer them into the floor. Very important for any installation that the subsurface should be absolutely flat. It should either have a self-leveling or a perfectly done screed. So for a glue down installation, there are 3 steps involved. We typically start with putting glue on the floor, and the first layer of underlay comes. Depending on the type of carpet that you have, the underlay can be decided. Like there is a felt underlay, there are rubber underlays, there are foam underlays, and of course many of them are FR rated. So depending on the jurisdiction and the requirement of the place where you are installing, you can choose the underlay. Then after the underlay has been installed, then there's a second layer of glue that is put, and then the final carpet is placed on top.